Dr. Darien is back, and apparently working out every day can make you live longer.
And just how much is the question? Just how much is the question in terms of reducing your risk of premature death? This is a new study from the Canadian Medical Association that looks to see how much benefit do we get out of physical activity. That's that general recommended 150 minutes a week. That's 20 to 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise a day. Reduces your risk of early death by more than 30%. Wow. I think most important about this is also falls. Regular exercise can reduce our risk of falls, especially as we get older, by more than 20%. And the reason why I say that is because these are the complications that I see in the emergency room. You know, broken hips, broken wrists. That can change your quality of life and decrease your abilities to just keep up, which can increase your risk.
So if I work out 3 times as much as that recommendation, is it 30, 30, 30, so 90%?
We can only hope that that would be, I would say aim for the stars, land on the moon, but in reality, I think it's really about making those small adjustments. And how can we start? Understanding how fast can you walk a mile or run a mile, measuring your waist circumference, figuring out how many push-ups you can do, starting with the basis and then figuring out how you can improve upon that. And something I think is so important for our parents and older relatives, basic things. Are you able to get up from a chair without needing assistance? Can you get up from the floor without needing assistance? Can you balance on one leg? Those are important metrics to help understand if someone's physically able to take care of themselves and keep going.
Mobility things. If you aren't a person who works out and you feel a little overwhelmed by the whole idea of working out, where should you start?
I think starting at home is fantastic. Basic body weight exercises, I think, are underutilized, and many people do not realize that there's tremendous benefit to them. Absolutely, and I think that's why it's so important. Starting and seeing where you start at. For example, how many push-ups can you do? How long can you hold a plank? Those are some basic things that, although seem trivial, are super important.
Take a daily walk, folks.
Absolutely.
All right.